Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today I'm doing a knife versus with the QSP Canary folder and the Kizer Fighter. QSP Canary I got from White Mountain Knives, and it came in today after 10% off code and free shipping. It was $37.75. Side note, I will be getting the larger Canary folder. So it's becoming very smooth and nice. So it's in the purple G10, black blade, and if you do this, you can see it says (14C28N). Two-way clip, right and left, speed holes, liner lock. No blade play whatsoever. Lock stick. Yes, but over time that should go away. Centering is great. Now we're going to do the Kizer Fighter. Has dual thumb studs. This has also dual thumb studs, by the way. This is the Kizer Fighter. Satin blade. I'll move over to this side. I'm on the wrong side to do this. You can reverse flick this like you can that. The $1 from all the purchases of this knife go to the American Cancer Society. Left-handed, I can do it. Gotta show it with that QSP knife. Slow roll, yes. It is a fighter. It is made by, if we can get it to focus. Gotta wipe that down real quick. Have a little bit of smudging and gunk. Fluff. Made by Joey Styles Design. And yeah, around the pivot area, around the thumb stud, we gotta wipe that after the video. I'm trying a little bit right now. You can tell it's been a user. And on this side, it says 154 cm and the model number. Purple thumb studs, jimping on the blade. That had no jimping. This has the cancer ribbon, purple cancer ribbon. And it has one position pocket clip, which is right only, tip up. And let's see what we're going to talk about. Oh, yeah, centering is not the best, but certainly not the worst. No blade play from using it. Nope, means I tightened it the other day. It had a little bit of blade play. Size comparisons together. Let me do tip to tip, because that's how I do it. Let's move it closer. And I'll do this. And these come from trading card that I do on Trading Cards of Awesomeness YouTube channel. So when I get stuff sent into me, they put the cards between this and tape them. So it's very good, useful thing for trading cards. Maybe something else in the future I would use it for too. Let me get this completely checked out. Tip to tip, yep, you can see Canary is a smaller knife. The blade is less than 3 inches. We gotta do a couple more knives. We're gonna do a small knife first. Let me just do this real quick. Oh, can't do it on camera now, but yeah. This is a Damn Designs Oni Mini, I believe, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's been a while since I've model named this. 14C28N. Damn Designs greatness. See how it compares to the to both of them at least. It is way smaller than the Canary and way smaller than both. So that's the comparison. And we got a Best Tech Thorn that I got for Christmas. Way bigger than the Canary, of course. Sorry if I'm too close to the camera and it sounds loud. And about a little bit smaller than the Kizer Fighter. Anyways, let's get on with the video. We gotta get something to cut with, which forgot that, but I have some stuff around. An Amazon package we can open for my mom and one for me. with both knives, one each. Let's close these up and get the Amazon packages. They just came too right before the video, so that was great. I'm not going to show what's in there. I'm not going to show the addresses. I'm just going to cut. So the Kizer Fighter will be getting to cut, well, we'll be getting to cut this package. Not the box version, but yeah. Let me zoom out on the camera itself, so you guys can see do this. Let me move this back. Back. And then we're going to open it on camera as best we can. Yeah, these packages are a little difficult to do, but you can just pry it open after. That's for my mom. Now, I'm going to close this up. Go to the other box now. And use the QSP Canary to open it. This is for my trading card stuff, so it's going to be helpful and useful. And then we're going to do some overall review, ratings, and whatnot. You'll remember how I did it. I got to show you left-handed, remember, guys? So, let me just do this at a 2... Sorry, I keep going too far back, but I'm not trying to show my address, so we're just gonna zoom this back. I'll go up like so. I'm gonna be standing to do this, so if you don't see it, you don't see it. I can't tell too well. Canary is great. Canary got through it. Okay, so those two knives cut tremendously very well. So they're very good knives. QSP Canary is the newer of the two knives, the smaller of the two knives. With the black blade, you get lower HRC than if you do with the satin, so you won't see me get a satin with the fixed blade. But this is what they had, so I got it, and then not too long after, it sold out, so out of stock as of today. Hours ago I checked. I was about to check my order, but it already was here. I like the shipping. Which do I like better for actuation? Huh. Let me see the Canary now. I don't know. I like the thumb studs on the Canary better. So Canary for the actuation. For the holding is nice. No jimping, which they could have done a little bit of jimping right here. At least from right here. Let me focus this for you guys. From right here to right here. A little bit past the thumb studs. That would have been nice, but they didn't do that, which is not a deal breaker, not a super bad bummer, but it is a bummer. It could have surely used it. Holding is nice. How about the disengagement of the lock? Some locks it because it's brand new, so if it's really smooth opening and stuff. How is this disengagement? Because I've used it over time, so probably greatness. Yep. Holding it, you do have jimping from here to here, which the QSP Canary could have went from here to a little bit like maybe right here past the thumb studs. Or a little bit, yeah. And holding it, because of the jimping, it's much better. So yeah, let's do an overall rating, and I'll start with the QSP Canary. Since it's a new knife, and I do like it more than one of the best knives in the last 2 or 3 years that I've bought. That's in like budget category. That's say 60, 65 and lower. I call budget. And then 70, 75 I call budget plus. It's like in baseball, A ball or rookie ball, and then high class A or A plus. This is really nice for what it is. It's not too small, not too big. It's perfect. Missing the jimping, and that's it. So my low rating is a 9.8. And on the high side, a 9.9. If it had jimping, it'd probably be a 10 or an 11. Probably both. Low side 10, high side 11 if it had jimping. But it's good. QSP Canary folding knife. Because they do have the regular fixed blade, which is a neck knife. Or in some people's cases, like mine, I would try to use it as a small fixed blade on the belt loop carry or pocket carry. And then they have, well, what I've heard from the Atlantic Knives website, video, is Mega Canary. So with the bigger fixed blade, like a regular usable one that's not a neck knife. So on the see, these thumb studs are kind of digging. So that's why I do this a lot when my thumb is torn up from flipping. So on the low side, I give this a 9.6, 9.7. And on the high side, a 9.8. Thumb studs are deal breaker. Well, not deal breaker, but thumb studs are the reason it got lower. Jimping could be a tad bit more aggressive, because you barely even know they're there. They are there, but compared to the Canary, Canary needs them. Couldn't even use these style of jimping on the Canary. Nice in hand. Let's scoot this back for you guys. Nice in hand. Nice to hold. Nice to cut. 154 cm blade steel. Reverse looks good on the left hand. 14C28 blade steel. If this will focus, 14C28N, my favorite blade steel. Good reverse flip, good everything. So overall winner is, in my opinion, the Canary, QSP Canary folder. But that's not to knock the Kizer Fighter. In a larger knife compared to the Canary, this is always good. If you were to carry two folding knives and you had some choices and you wanted to go small and medium, then I would go both of these. This is nice fidgety, this is nice fidgety, this is bigger. So let me show you all and go smaller in this. See, if you go like small and big, eventually I will be getting the neck knife version of the Canary, who have all three sizes: the fixed blade neck knife, the fixed blade large, or mega as they call it, as I've heard, and the folder. And then I'll do the fixed blade videos on the neck knives and doing them in pocket carry or belt carry. I already have a Cold Steel Hideout to test out. So, and eventually next month I will. So wherever you go, you won't go wrong. 14C28N, 154 cm, smaller, bigger. Some instances you can only use a smaller knife, so this would be good. And it doesn't look bad at all, and it feels great. They both feel great. So whatever you go with, you won't have a bad choice, and you always have a good knife with you, and reliable, and sharp, and always good stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent in the mail. You collect what you like. You get some good knives. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, yummy food, your music, your video games. Be safe. Enjoy. And remember to use your sharp blades. Jimmy will really be useful here. Really saying that, I'm going to stress that in my videos, because it's truth. Bye.